the African Union Peace and Security Council, the primary premium organ that deals with peace and security, in September 2024, adopted the first ever resolution on the protection and safety of journalists in conflict zones. This will inspire more journalists to be bold enough to work in conflict zones and feel protected based on international law and international humanitarian law. We are committed, working with all journalist organizations, particularly the Federation of African Journalists, that we are co-organizing this workshop together, where we have a roundtable that is speaking to the socialization aspect of promoting the tenets of democracy. This time in our history on the continent is unique, given that we also face unconstitutional changes of government. We also face challenges that journalists experience in the work, in trying to work on freedom of speech and freedom of expression. But we are committed, and I want to assure you that the African Union Commission, under the leadership of His Excellency Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, is spearheading this Press Freedom Day commemoration to the benefit of all journalists and, of course, the entire continent.